You alright? About that. Oi! Let's see. Something troubling you? No more than usual. It's just that this baby will be coming soon and I wanted to make something for it. I'm sure she liked that. Back in the north, families would always make gifts when a bairn was on the way. I'll let the little tykes know they were welcome in the new homes like. So, what's the problem? Well, the problem is that I just due any day now. I don't know if I'll be ready in time. Is there anything I can do to help? You know, that just might be. Alright then. What exactly are we making? A good luck charm. But not just any good luck charm. Not just any. No. One made from the feather of a silver chocobo. There's not luck in all the realm, or so we used to say back home anyway. Thing is, they're hard to come by. Had Otto and Karen check with their suppliers, but nothing. I try and track one down myself, only the big day is fast approaching. And that's all you need, a feather. That or the bird whose horse it's attached to, I was gonna stop by asking around with travelling traders plying the northern borders. But there's no shortage of those passing through Martha's. I think I might make that my first port of call. I'll let you know if I find anything. You're a good friend, Clive. I won't forget this. Let's say one of the merchants here has what Gav needs. Excuse me. I'm looking for something. Oh, then I'm your man. A silk chocobo feather. Oh, or maybe not. Though you're not the first to mention bird around here. There was a man stuck by the rest not long ago claiming he was attacked by a silver chocobo near some guide hovel not far from Eastpool. Most took him for a braggart and a liar, but who knows? Perhaps there was some truth to his tale. We'll see. Thank you.
Doesn't still hurt, does it?
Son of his area, after all. A born survivor. Just because the heavens have gone to work and ruin it don't mean we have to. How do, traveller? You've the look of a man who could do with a new whetstone? Or perhaps a body etch and advice ring? Maybe another time. I'm looking for a silver chocobo feather. If that's the case, rumours are all you're likely to find. No one has seen a silver chocobo for years. Word is they were all hunted for their feathers. Some northern nonsense about bringing good luck. Didn't bring them much, more their bows. If any are still out there, I reckon they'll be doing their damnedest not to be discovered. You're probably right. Thank you anyway. I've got a few room goings, Barang. You want to bed for the night? You speak to Martha.
Look, Daddy, shining so brightly. Whoever thought Timber was to take us there.
Can I help you with something? You wouldn't happen to sell silver chocobo feathers, would you? ID and fruit, not fancies. But if it's fancies you're after, I suggest you try Rhiannon's Ride. Was a silver chocobo seen there? Oh yes. If you believe the ravings of a madman. It wouldn't be the first time. A silver chocobo sighted in the hills near Rhiannon's Ride. It sounds almost too good to be true. But since I'm already here, can hardly make it work, beloved. Drugs. And all that but now is for change. More tracks. And these look fresh. recently. Perhaps it still is. I don't hear anything. Well, I'll be damned. It's alright. I'm not going to hurt you. Just borrowing a feather for my friend. Thank you. Let's get this back together before they change their minds. It was no trouble. Clive, you back? How'd you get on? Any luck? Any luck, you say? Crystals crack. Is this what I think it is? Where in the hell did you find it? It's a long story. Right there on the road to Eastport. Who'd have thought it? Everything on there's been abandoned for years. The empty cabin made for the perfect shelter. Though I fear my presence may have forced the poor creatures to look elsewhere. Don't blame yourself, Clive. The blight's right on Eastport's doorstep. They'd have had to move on before long. Even if you hadn't have turned up, they'll find a new home. Trust me. After all, that's what us endangered animals do. Anyway, what matters is, you managed to nick us one of their quills before they could run off. And now all that's left is to fix it with the carving. What did you make a carve? Reckon there's a lot you don't know about me. Like the fact I'm as good with a whittling knife as I am with a sword. And that bone Ember gave me's a dream to work with. What did you say it was from again? Avis? But it weren't your Avis, Sid. Actually, what have I owned at last? So all those long nights in the pit finally bore fruit. I'm proud of you, Ember. Don't speak too soon. I ain't done a trial yet. There we go. What do you think? I think if you ever hang up your scouting cap, you'll be able to make an honest living. How will I? I should go and see if there's a way. If one first. You can give it to yourself. Come on. There's something about it.
Me lords.
How are you feeling?
Well, thank you. Is something wrong?
Wrong? No, nothing like that. What it is,
Go on, please. It's beautiful. Did you make it?
we did. It's from all of us here at the Hideaway, your new family lake. It's a good luck charm. We make them up north when the band's on the way. I mean, a baby, to let them know that they're part of the family too. Well, I hope you like it.
I don't know what to say. I thank you, me lords, for everything.
If there's anything you need, just let us know.
I will.
Clive, fancy a smooth off? I'm thirsty. I could be convinced. When you think you've had enough? Oh, we're celebrating. I'm gonna be a father. I think Edda might have something to say about that. You know what I mean. Bit of light in these dark times. Wasn't long after me 10th name day. My mum told us she was with child again. I was over the fucking moon. I was looking forward to having a little one to lord it over. What with me being the run of the litter. Thought I'd finally have a chance to prove to the world that I could be a big brother. Imperials came the day she went into labour. Had myself a baby sister. And then I didn't. My whole family gone in a blink, while I hid in the cellar like the spineless little arsehole I was. Great brother I turned out to be. I'll never be a leader. I'll never be a hero. I'm just a daft little dog who comes running when his master calls. I'll never be like you, or Sid, or Jill, or even Toggle. Have you finished? Maybe. Do you know why you're our best scout? Because you don't need anyone to hold your hand. Without your resourcefulness, your courage, your determination, I know where we'd be. Maybe hanging off a cliff like, That was only the launch. Exactly. You learn from it. And here you are, the founder knows how many missions, stronger for everyone. And let's not forget Rosalind. Who was it who freed me from the dungeon? Who was it who ran to Jill's rescue? That would be me. Because you're our brother, Gav. My brother. Your brother. I'll get you room. And your sword. I may have had one too many. You may have had 10 too many. I said I was thirsty. Gotta get back to work anyway. After I walk this off. Clive? What is it? Thanks. For... you know.
You think they'll come back?
Grab the crystal. Not a very good one. But, what you want? Scratches, right? Not bad, if I do say so myself. No scratches, right? Fine. from diverse hands adorn his span in crimson seraphos.
Welcome to the Patron's Whisper. All done?
Clive, here you go.
Seen enough?